Welcome to the Yeastar Cloud PBX Quick Start Guide, presented by Voxtelesys. In today's video, we will demonstrate how to add many extensions at one time by using the Yeastar Cloud PBX Bulk Add Extensions feature. We'll start by clicking on Settings. Click the Extensions button. Click the Bulk Add button. The Start Extension field is the number where the block of extensions will start. By default, the number starts after your last extension. Create number is how many extensions you wish to create. Registration password is the password you will use to register endpoints to this extension. You have three options for the registration password. Random chooses a random password. This is the most secure option. Fixed is a static password of your choosing. Prefix will make the password a combination of a prefix of your choosing and the extension number. For this example, we use random for the registration password. User password is the password to access this extension's user control panel. You can use the fixed or prefix password option for the user password. For this example, we will use the prefix option with the prefix supersecure1234! So this extension's user password will be supersecure1234! 1001. Concurrent registrations is how many endpoints will be able to connect to this extension. After you set up the basic Add Bulk Extensions parameters, all other settings will be the same as normal extensions. Choose the settings you want to apply to all of your extensions. If you need help setting up extensions, please see our previous video on how to set up a single extension. Click Save when you are finished. If you are concerned about the security implications of setting the user password to the prefix option, it might be better to assign the extensions to their respective email addresses and send a welcome email. To do this, you will need to go to each extension and set the email addresses individually. Once you have set the email addresses, select the extensions you wish to send the welcome email. Click the Welcome Email button. Click the Send button. Each user will be sent a welcome email that looks like this. The email will have a link to reset their password and log into their user control panel. When you are finished, click the Apply button to apply all configuration changes to your Yeastar Cloud PBX. You have successfully set up bulk extensions on your Yeastar Cloud PBX. In upcoming videos, we will demonstrate how to apply these extensions to your Yealink phones using auto-provisioning. If you have any further questions, please check out support.voxtelesys.com.